Assalamualaikum, Madam and Sir. Ana Ismi Norina Balbuena Aguirre. I'm 34 years old. My height is 5'2". My weight is 60 kilogram. I live in San Simon's, Pampanga in the Philippines. I have in Wahid Walad, 14 years old. I'm single. I'm high school graduate. I'm ex-abroad in Saudi Arabia here in 2019 and 2022. Ana malum cleaning, washing, iron, ada kulo and cleaning all house. Ana malum sawi akil, ana malum sawi akil Arabic, ada kabsa, lasagna, biryani, salata, sambusa, and ada pizza. Shukran, Madam and Sir.